Hi everyone. For this video, we'll be covering the creation and management of header menus for your WordPress website. Specifically, we will focus on creating menus, editing them, establishing a drop-down hierarchy, and finally creating jump links. Let's take a look at our example page. So as you can see here, we have a drop-down menu under Services for our specialties. However, if I click on About or Contact Us, they are not actually pages, but rather what we call jump links. They jump us to a different section of the website. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the panel of options on the left-hand side, find Appearance, and then click on Menus. This brings you to the Menus editor. If this is your first time here, please click on Create a new menu. Name your menu something relevant like Header Menu, and then click Create Menu. To populate your menu, look to the left where you'll find Pages, over here. You click on View All to see all your available pages. You want to select the pages you want to appear in your menu, and then click Add to Menu. In my case, I want to add our specialties, and I will click Add to Menu. Now remember, at the start, I mentioned a couple of things where my About Us and our Contact Us were not actually pages, but rather jump links. Jump links help redirect us to a certain part of our page. So now that we have the fundamentals down packed, let's discuss how to create a location that we jump link to, otherwise known as an anchor point. In order to do this, we need to head over to our website, and then we click Edit with Thrive Architect. You can also get here by going to Pages and clicking on the page you want to edit. So when I click Edit with Thrive Architect, I will want to look over the home page or whatever page that we have and find a location I want to anchor the jump link to. So in this case, I'm going to create a services jump link. It will act as the hierarchy for our specialties page. So I head down, and let's say I want it to anchor right here. This block where it says new here, event, custom creations, and bulk orders. Bulk orders, goodness. If I click on this, these options will open up. All I need to do is head down to HTML attributes, open it up, and then write in an ID. So because mine is called services, I would write in services here. Press Save Work. And once that finished saving, we head back to our menu and we click Custom Links. Here's where that ID we put in comes into play. So first, I will put in the URL of our website, which happens to be this right here. It's not mitten speaking because, again, it's a demonstrative website. And then what I will do is I will do a /, there we go, so we can see, / with a hashtag services. And I will call it, the link text is what we will see on the menu, services. Now I will press Add to Menu. Great. But there's still one problem. They're not the hierarchy that I'm looking for. Our specialties is currently on a parallel plane where you'll see it next to services as opposed to being beneath it. There's a very easy fix for this. You simply left click on our specialties and you can drag it wherever we want. You see how when I drag underneath services, over here to the right, it becomes nested underneath with a sub item. If I drag it a little bit more to the left, I can reorder. So there's reordering, there's nesting. Make sure you always click Save Menu when you're ready. Otherwise, the changes you make will not reflect on your website. So I'll go over here, I'll press Save Menu, and great. But let's say on my original homepage, I also had the About Us and the Contact Us. Well, in that case, our menu looks a little bit more like this, which I prepared ahead of time so you can see what it looks like when it's all fleshed out. So here, again, we have services, our specialties, which is a sub-item, about us, and contact us. You can probably imagine that the about us is going to have the ID in the HTML attributes via Thrive Architect to be about. And then when I did for contact us, I put the ID underneath contact. So on the home page, if we head down to about us, right here, and I click on the block, there's the about. If I head down a little bit more to our contact, uh, you'll see it's a gravity form here. Don't worry, we'll cover that in a future video. But for now, just know that's where the contact form is. If I click over here, I'm looking around to see where I want it exactly. Okay, I want it to jump link to this box. When I click on this, this element right here, you can see it's ID'd as contact. So it would jump our customer or clientele to this location.